And we certainly hope you have a chance to enjoy the holidays with your loved ones. And everyone is wondering, will we wake up to see snow? And you're saying probably not waking up, but we might get some snow.
Your results may vary. That's the way we're throwing it out there. Yeah. And basically, in a nutshell, we were talking about this earlier, is a lot of folks will wake up to a rain-snow mix tomorrow, right, especially down at sea level. What happens through the day tomorrow is cold air filters in, and that will drop snow levels. So if you don't see snow tomorrow morning, there's a pretty good probability you'll see it tomorrow night. I'll explain in just a moment. I want to show you this. This is the GOES 17 satellite. A lot to break down here, but it's actually fairly simple. First of all, just a quick lesson in terms of why we don't normally get snow here. The Pacific Ocean right here is running right around 48, 50 degrees. So normally, whenever we get systems coming in from the north and west there, the water regulates the storms. It will make the moisture the same temperature as the sea, 48 to 50 degrees. So that's why we don't normally see snow here. The one loophole is when you have a ridge of high pressure over top of British Columbia, which is what we've got right now, that's bringing in cold air over land, and especially through the Fraser Valley in British Columbia. So up towards Bellingham, Skagit County, looks like there is snow already falling and more on the way overnight tonight. And then as we go through the day on Saturday, that cold air will start to fill in, and every little bit of moisture that pushes into that cold air will convert to snow. Speaking of snow levels were about 1,500 feet earlier today. They're about 700 feet right now, and then watch what happens as we go through the rest of the week here. We're talking about snow levels that will be at sea level. So what we're experiencing right now, look, low pressure system, you can very clearly see where the center of it is. Flow around a low is always counterclockwise, so it's kind of throwing out that arc there that is converting to snow in low levels, and then up towards Everett and Bellingham there. Skagit and Whatcom counties are going to be a bit on the active side tonight. 2 to 4 inches of snow are possible. Christmas forecast, at least as far as most of us around the Puget Sound will go, is we'll see temperatures slightly above freezing. So we're expecting kind of a rain-snow mix, possibly even a sunbreak in there. And then as we go into the afternoon, it converts over to snow. So a couple things here to know. We've got a winter weather advisory in place that's going to be up towards Bellingham, Skagit, Whatcom counties there, all of the mountains, and then all of the low-lying areas around the Puget Sound as well. Take a look at Futurecast. That moisture will push in overnight, and then starting on Saturday afternoon, everything that comes in will be coming in the form of snow. So about 2 to 4 inches is possible overnight Saturday into Sunday. So again, if you don't get a white Christmas tomorrow morning, you may get it on Sunday morning. So for low-lying areas like Seattle, Everett, we're talking about 2 to 3 inches, possibly a couple inches down towards Tacoma, 4 inches possible near Olympia. And of course, the mountains are going to do fantastically with this. We're talking about some major accumulating snow up in the mountains as well. So it's great news for everybody if you're a snow fan. 7-day forecast shows temperatures getting up into the mid-30s tomorrow, and watch what happens next week. We're going to see temperatures that will barely break the freezing mark by day and touch down in the teens overnight.